AI success case study using Python. Here's a case study on a successful AI project using Python. Case study, predicting customer churn using machine learning. Background, a leading telecom company wanted to reduce customer churn by identifying high-risk customers and proactively offering them personalized retention offers. The company had a large dataset of customer information, including demographic data, usage patterns, and billing information. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. Objective. The objective of the project was to develop a machine learning model that could predict customer churn with high accuracy, using the available dataset. Dataset. The dataset consisted of 10,000 customer records, with 20 features, including demographic data, age, gender, location, usage patterns, call minutes, data usage, SMS usage, billing information, bill amount, payment method. Python libraries used. Pandas for data manipulation and analysis. NumPy for numerical computations. Scikit-learn for machine learning. Matplotlib and Seaborn for data visualization. Machine learning model. A random forest classifier was trained on the dataset, with the following hyperparameters. Number of trees, 100. Maximum depth, 5. Minimum samples per split, 2. Minimum samples per leaf, 1. Model evaluation. The model was evaluated using the following metrics. Accuracy, 92%. Precision, 91%. Recall, 93%. F1 score, 92%. Deployment. The trained model was deployed as a web application, using Flask, a Python web framework. The application allowed customer service representatives to input customer data and receive a predicted churn score. Results. The project resulted in a significant reduction in customer churn, with the following benefits. 25% reduction in customer churn. 15% increase in customer retention. 10% increase in revenue. Conclusion. The project demonstrated the power of machine learning in predicting customer churn and reducing customer turnover. The use of Python and its associated libraries made it easy to develop and deploy the model, and the results were significant. The updated program now incorporates k-fold cross-validation using a random forest classifier to evaluate model performance. The accuracy scores from each fold are displayed in the line chart, while the impact metrics remain in the bar chart. The average accuracy is included in the title for better context. The diagram is titled AI Success Case Study, Predicting Customer Churn, Average Accuracy, 87.8%, by Pradeep K. Suri. It combines a bar chart and connecting lines to illustrate the accuracy of an AI model in predicting customer churn and its impact on key business metrics. Let's break down the diagram in detail. Fold accuracy, line chart section. Purpose: this section shows the accuracy of the AI model across different cross-validation folds. Cross-validation is a technique used to evaluate the performance of a model by training and testing it on different subsets of the dataset. X-axis, folds represents the different folds used in the cross-validation, fold 1 to fold 5. Y-axis, percentage indicates the accuracy percentage for each fold, ranging from 0% to 100%. Data points. Fold 1, approximately 89% accuracy. Fold 2, approximately 85% accuracy. Fold 3, approximately 87% accuracy. Fold 4, approximately 88% accuracy. Fold 5, approximately 89% accuracy. Insights. The accuracy percentages across the folds are consistently high, ranging between 85% and 89%. The average accuracy of 87.8% suggests that the AI model is reliable and effective in predicting customer churn across different subsets of the data. Impact metrics, bar chart section. Purpose: this section highlights the impact of the AI model on three key business metrics: churn reduction, customer retention, and revenue increase. X-axis, impact metrics represents the different business metrics affected by the AI model: churn reduction, customer retention, revenue increase. Y-axis, percentage impact indicates the percentage impact of the AI model on each metric, ranging from 0% to 100%. Data points. Churn reduction, approximately 40% impact. Customer retention, approximately 30% impact. Revenue increase, approximately 20% impact. Insights. Churn reduction, the AI model has significantly reduced customer churn by approximately 40%, indicating its effectiveness in identifying and addressing customers at risk of leaving. Customer retention, the model has improved customer retention by approximately 30%, showing its capability to retain a significant portion of the customer base. Revenue increase, the model has contributed to a revenue increase of approximately 20%, demonstrating a positive financial impact due to reduced churn and better customer retention. Connecting lines. Purpose, the colored lines connect the AI model's accuracy in the fold accuracy section to the impact metrics in the impact metrics section, illustrating the relationship between the model's performance and its business impact. Color coding, the colors of the lines match the bars they connect to, making it easy to follow the relationships. Green line for churn reduction. Blue line for customer retention. Yellow line for revenue increase. Visualization. The lines visually link the high accuracy of the AI model to its substantial impact on reducing churn, retaining customers, and increasing revenue. Summary. This diagram effectively combines fold accuracy and impact metrics to showcase the success of an AI model in predicting customer churn. With an average accuracy of 87.8%, the model has shown significant positive impacts on key business metrics, including a 40% reduction in churn, a 30% increase in customer retention, and a 20% boost in revenue. The visual representation clearly links the model's performance to its tangible business benefits, making it a compelling case study. Thank you.